Hey YouTube and Facebook family, I know it's been a long time, but it's your girl, the Eccentric Diva, and I'm popping on to share my day today, and I wish I had broken my vlog camera because I could have used it today. From 8 o'clock this morning till 7 o'clock tonight, I've been on the go. So started out with a Black Girls Run. We had our 8-year anniversary, so went to Mercer County Park and did 3.25 miles with them. Left there, came home, showered, got dressed, met my cousin at the train station. We went to New York to go to Showfields, which is on Bond Street in Lafayette. I had reservations for their open house, and it was pretty interesting. So I have some footage of that. Then, when I woke up this morning, I looked on Instagram, and there was a post from June Ambrose who was saying she was having a pop-up shop, and come to find out, it was right next to, right around the corner from Showfields. 20 feet away. It was really close. So, had to wait in a long line for that. First when I went by the line, they said they had the wait was an hour and hour and a half. So, but I think we waited about 45 minutes to get in. So, I did buy 3 pieces from there, but I didn't know there was another lady who was selling stuff there. It's a June Ambrose's pop-up shop. So I was like, okay, let me check it out, because I love her style. And so the 3 things I picked out were not June's. But anyway, let me show you the 3 pieces that I bought. So the first item, and this was $20. It's like a camisole. Has a little shimmer to it. And you could always wear it under something. And actually it's asymmetrical. I'm just noticing that now. So that was only $20. Then I think there's a benefit. Okay, all right, Salima. All right, that was her name. That top was by Salima. And then there was this cute little t-shirt. It was only $5. And so I got that. And then my best find was this vintage skirt. And I figured if I wear this once a year with a different color, that's me with all the colors. I just hope it doesn't squeeze me too much. But you can tell by the tag it's vintage. So this was $100. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure I get my wear out of it. So it's kind of like a wrap I'm seeing now. It opens up right there. So we'll have fun with that for a few years, okay? And also, no trip is complete unless I go to my jewelry store, favorite jewelry store, Earrings Plaza. I picked up this pink and rhinestone necklace, and just a pair. I have a pair of these already, but the post is kind of loose, so I just wanted another pair of these pink rhinestone earrings. So after we left June Ambrose's pop-up shop, there were people outside, and I believe they have a YouTube channel, and I can't really remember the name, but they asked to interview me about my outfit, so I have a little footage of that. And I wasn't the only one. There was several people. They were going down the line and asking people about what made them wear what they were wearing today. And then we went to the Vessel, and that was my second workout, because you had to walk up the steps. I knew there was an elevator there, so I thought, okay, maybe I'll take the elevator up and walk back down, but no, only people who are handicapped could take the elevator. So I was like, ugh. But took my time, got up there, and it was worth the view. And then we went to the shops at the Hudson Yard. They had on the 3rd floor is this cool gallery where you can write your name, or you can do artwork. on this mural of some sort. And so we did that, and then went to the jewelry store, and then came home. Let me tell you, I'm so tired right now though. I mean, not too tired where I couldn't just come on and do this video, and but you know, I'm just glad to be home now. So I'm gonna share with you some footage from today, and hopefully I can, you know, I'm using my iPhone right now, and I think I'm gonna start doing that, like just to get some regular uploads in there of things I want to share. You know, hopefully you'll be seeing more of me. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Actor.